Friends, in this video, I'm asked to expand this binomial expression. Now, what I'm going to do is that I just have to record the general formula of binomial expansion. And if you look at this, we have this integer to be positive. That means I'm going to use binomial expression for expansion formula for positive integer. And in our last video, I was able to derive an expression for the binomial expansion for positive integer, and the expression was that's summation. That means we have n r from r equals to 0 to 4. R starts from 0 to 4 because here our n is 4. So we have this to be n combination r, then we have our x raised power n minus r, then y raised power what? R, exactly. So in this case, I said we have a long expression for the binomial expression for positive integer. So I try to summarize, to sum all the terms and bring out an expression which is summation n r equals to 0, n combination r, then x is power n minus r, y is power what? R. So in this case, what I'm going to do here is that, if you look at this very well, this expansion is actually the same thing as writing x plus y all raised power what? Of n, right? So, but it's just that I need to factorize what? This minus 3. So in this case, my x is equals to x, right? Then my y equals to what? Minus 3y. And also my n equals to what? 4, right? So if that's the case, r starts from 0 up to what? Up to 4. We start from 0 to what? To 4, right? So now in this case, what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to have this to be equal to, that means I'm having x, then I'm going to have plus into brackets minus 3y, all this power 4 to be equal now. I'm going to have n combination. I said r starts from what? From 0. Exactly, I'm going to have n combination. That's going to be 0, right? Then I'm going to have this to be what? X is power n. N is what? Our n is 4. That will be 4 minus 0. Can you see this now? Then y, r was our r. That's 0. I'm going to have this power of 0. Can you see this now? Then I'm going to have it to be plus, then followed by n combination. We have 0, we have 1 here, exactly. Then here I'm going to have x raised power what? 4 minus 1, then y will raise power what? Of 1. Then plus, you're going to have the next one to be, that's going to be n combination 2, then our r is 2 here, then x is power what? 4 minus 2, then y will be equals what? Raised power of 2, exactly. N combination, that was going to be 3, right? Then I'm going to have this to be x raised power what? That's 4 minus 3. Then I'm going to have y raised power what? Of 3, exactly. So after that, I'm going to have the next one, which is, I'm going to have it to be, that's plus n combination 4. If n, we have n combination 4 here, then we're going to have x raised power what? 4 minus 4, exactly. Then y will be raised power what? Of 4. That's just it. Then we just have to simplify this expression. So that means our x plus, in the bracket, minus 3y, all this power of 4 will be what? Then after that, the next thing I'm going to do is that, if you look at this very well, I haven't replaced the value of x and y. Then I'm going to do that right now. So here I'm having n combination 0. I just need to find a solution to this n combination. We have n combination 0. Whenever we have n combination 0, that's actually what? 1, right? So this is actually 1. Then after that, I'm going to have this to be what? X is power what? 4. This is x is power what? Of 4, because 4 minus 0 is actually what? That's 4. Then y raised power 0 is actually 1. Then I'm going to have this to be what? Plus n combination 1. What's our n? Our n is actually 4. I should have put 4 here. 4. Exactly. Everything here is 4. Everything here is 4. Everything here is 4. As far as n is concerned, n is 4. Right? So here I'm going to have 4 combination 1. So here I'm going to have 4 combination 1. That's actually 4. So here I'm going to have 4. Then x is power 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is what? That's 3. Then I'm going to have this what? X is power what? Of 3. Then y is power what? Of 1. Then plus, again, I'm having 4 combination 2. That's going to be 4 combination 2. That's actually 6. Right? I'm going to have this to be 6. Then this s squared, y squared. Exactly. Then followed by plus 4 combination 3. 4 combination 3. That's what? 4. Right? I'm going to have 4. Then here is x is power what? Of 4 minus 3, which is what? 1. Then I'm going to have y raised power what? Of 3. Then plus 4 combination 4. So 4 combination 4, that's actually 1. So here I'm going to have Then x to the power 4 minus 4, that's 0. Anything to the power 0 is what? Is 1. Then I'm having just only what? Y raised to the power of 4. I'm going to have y raised to the power of what? Of 4. But now, we are not going to leave the answer like this, because we know that x is equals to what? Is equals to x in this case. Then our y is equals to what? Minus 3y. Exactly. Then I'm going to replace everything here. I'm going to fix in the value here. So here I'm going to have this equals to x to the power of 4 is normal. Then plus I'm going to have 4 x to the power of 3 into bracket minus 3y, right? Then followed by plus, here I'm going to have 6x squared into brackets, here I'm going to have minus 3y all squared, then plus, here I'm going to have 4x into brackets minus 3y all raised to the power of 3, plus this is going to be minus 3y, right, all raised to the power of 4. Exactly. So let's go ahead and simplify this expression. So simplifying this expression, I'm going to have this to be, that's going to be equal x to the power of 4, then plus, here I'm having, look at this value, this is minus 3. Minus, this should be minus, because we are having minus outside here, so here is minus. Then we are going to have 3 multiplied by 4, that's actually 12. I'm going to have 12 x to the power of 3, then y raised to the power of 1, then plus, here I'm going to have minus 3. This is minus 3 all squared. This is going to be minus 3 squared, that's actually 9, right? Then I'm going to have 9 multiplied by 6. 9 multiplied by 6 is actually 54, right? So I'm going to have this be 54 s squared y squared, plus here I'm having, alright, let me just say this is minus. Why? Because this is minus 3 all raised to the power of 3, and minus 3 raised to the power of 3, that should give us what? That's actually 27, right? And this should be minus 27y multiplied by 4. So minus 27, that's going to be minus 27 multiplied by 4, that's going to be what? That's going to be that's 108, right? So 27 multiplied by 4 is actually 108. Then I'm going to have this to be minus what? 108. This is going to be x, then y raised to the power of 3, plus, now this minus raised to the power of 4, that's actually plus. Then 3 raised to the power of 4, that should give us something like I think that's 81. Exactly, that's 81. That's 81. Then I'm going to have this to be 81. Then I'm going to have y raised to the power of 4. So that means the final expression for this expansion is actually for x minus 3y raised to the power of 4. We have the expression to be x raised to the power of 4 minus 12 x raised to the power of 3 y raised to the power of 1 plus 54 x raised to the power of 2 y raised to the power of 2, then minus 108 x raised to the power of 1 y raised to the power of 3, then plus 81 y raised to the power of 4. So that's just the what? That's the expansion. So that's just it about this video. And if you love this video, please do it to share it to your friend, and don't forget to click on the subscription button as well. Thanks for watching.